Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like this content, I have a playlist full of technology tutorials like this. I hope this video helps you. Before we start, let's roll the intro. Today's video tutorial is about how to recover your forgotten Facebook password and also how to view other saved passwords for your accounts. This is simple, so make sure to watch until the end. Here are the steps, which are easy to follow. First, open your Gmail app. Click on Gmail. Once you're there, click on your profile logo. Next, click on Google account. Once you're in your Google account, slide the screen to find Security. When you're in Security, scroll down to the bottom and you'll find Password Manager. Click on that. Now, scroll down to find the Facebook app. You will also see the passwords of your other accounts there. Choose the one you need. Once you find the Facebook app, click on it. Then, type your phone's password or use your fingerprint. Now you will see your password. Click on the eye icon to reveal the password. And that's it. You're done. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated with our new tutorial videos. If you have any topics you'd like me to cover, feel free to comment below. Don't be shy. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.